Have you ever felt that sudden exhaustion trapped in bed with a high fever? It often starts with a runny nose, endless sneezing, and a cough that just won't quit. Invisible to the naked eye, viruses invade your body through your airways, attacking your respiratory system. Your body fights back by raising its temperature. That fever is actually a sign of your immune system at war. Viral infections thrive during seasonal changes or when immunity is low. Ignoring these signs can lead to serious complications. Protect yourself. Wash your hands, wear a mask, stay hydrated, and rest. Prevention is your best defense.